Hello, welcome to my channel, and in this video we are going to discuss how to reset WordPress login password from the back end using phpMyAdmin. In case if we have forgotten the password and we are having some trouble to recover our password, or for any other reasons similar to that, we will see how to reset the password from the back end. So if you are facing a similar problem, please watch this video till the end. Now to reset our password, we can use the lost password link to reset our WordPress password. A reset link will be generated if you enter the username or the email address associated with that username. You will get an email and then with a reset link, and then you can reset your WordPress login password. Now it is very unlikely that we will forget our password and then we will forget our username and our email address also. But sometimes if your website is hacked and the hacker has changed your username and your email, then in that situation you might need to reset the login password or the usernames from the backend. So we will see how to use phpMyAdmin for this purpose. So to reset your WordPress password from the backend using phpMyAdmin, you need to log into your web host control panel. Generally it may be cPanel, but here I'm using Flask, so I'll show you in Flask. So right now I'm logged in to the control panel. So you need to log into your web hosting control panel, and then you can find phpMyAdmin in database section area. Somewhere in your control panel, look for phpMyAdmin with an icon like this. Once you have phpMyAdmin open, you can search for users. There will be a table by the name users with whatever your, then the list of users will be displayed here. You can click edit on the user which you want to change the password for. You can also verify the details of that user, such as the username, email address and things like that, just in case if those have been hacked and changed. Now to change the password, click on edit against that user, and then you will be able to find the username and the password, which is encrypted. There's a field by the name user_pass. The function that you need to select here is MD5. Look for MD5 in this drop down list. After you select MD5 here, you can type the password as it is, because the function that you selected will encrypt the password and store as encrypted value. So here you type the password normally in plain text. After that, you scroll down to the bottom of this page and click the go button, and it should be executed. One row affected. Your password has been changed for that user. Now you should be able to log in with the new password that you changed. So that's all we have in this video on how to change WordPress password from the backend using phpMyAdmin, just in case if you are facing problems logging into your WordPress website with the password that you have. And this is also useful, especially when your website gets hacked. First of all, you should also take all measures so that your website is not hacked, but just in case if it happens and you're not able to log into your site with the password, then you can reset from the back end like this. Thank you. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and see you in the next video.